Very happy evening to all. My dear lovable students, I believe that your advanced accounting examination and also the law examination has gone very well. Yes, we are marching to the next paper, that is tax. CA, Inter, DT and IDT. A cuddle. A real ocean, real sea, the real paper what is there in the group number 1 is tax. Don't be tired to prepare tax. What you are going to prepare, how you are going to prepare really matters a lot in this 1.5 days. We have prepared a super fantastic, outstanding strategy for 1.5 days. Let me explain, man. Today, slot number 1. You have to reach your home and from evening 7 o'clock till 11 o'clock, either you can prepare at your home, self-preparation, the basics of the GST, like supply, like charge, like composition levy, like exemption, and the first 10 mark computation of GST payable. If you are tired, if you want to have a very quick recap from evening 7 o'clock till 11 o'clock, I'm going to do a live marathon, my dear lovable students, a live marathon today. I'm going to come for the basics of GST. In that, I will be discussing all the amendments which are applicable for JAN examination, all the circulars which are applicable for JAN examination, computation of GST payable question will be discussing. Be with me for 4 to 5 hours. I will set the tone of the GST paper, my dear lovable students. The resources, sir, you can click here, automatically it will lead to the marathon. Day number 2, slot number 2. Tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock will be continued with the IDT itself. You are supposed to complete tax invoice, debit note, credit note, time of supply, value of supply, and place of supply. This will be covering a 15 to 20 mark area. This will surely be covering a 20 mark area for examination, because computation of GST payable will be for 10 mark, and rather exemption 1 exclusive question you will be getting, or rather we can call it as 15 mark itself, that for the safety purpose. So 15 plus 15, 30 mark. If you are thorough in tax invoice, debit note, credit note, time of supply, value of supply, place of supply, you can do the self preparation during that time. Sir, Kalil Endrichodane, I'll be feeling very tired. Sir, I will not be able to complete that much topic. Then in our YouTube channel, we will be doing the, sir, live upload. It's not live classes, because my dear lovable students, whatever marathon we have recorded will be premiered in our channel from morning 7 to 10 o'clock. So if you are committed, if you sit along with me, if you see that, you can complete that tax invoice, debit note, credit note, time of supply, value of supply, and place of supply, just to help you that, just to give you a feel that we can learn together. Slot number 3, morning 10 to 1, the premium time. We have to back to DT, man. PGBP, TDS, TCS, and computation of total income. Here you will be having a 20 mark area for examination. From computation of total income, I have done a super selective 7 question. That marathon has been attached link here. Just click it, sir. 1.5 hours in 1.5 speed. If you are hearing, you will be able to appreciate that 15 mark. That means by tomorrow noon, we will be prepared good chunk of DT and IDT. Slot number 4, sir, will be continued with the small topics of DT, but high scoring area like residential status and scope of total income, clubbing of income, set off and carry forward, and deductions. You can prepare self-preparations. Sir, slot number 5, from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, happily take a rest, and 6 to 10 o'clock, IDT procedural aspects, the last part of IDT. Either you can do the self-preparation, or for the last attempt, we have recorded a 3.5 hours marathon, which will be covering TDS, TCS, payment of tax, returns, etc. The same like today, will be doing the recorded premiere tomorrow. The same thing. Sir, if you want in advance, you can click this link. Automatically, that video will be open. If anyone want to, sir, have a recorded live feeling that will be telecasted in our channel for your benefit. 10 to 11:30, have a quick go through of capital gain and IFOS, self preparation. And if you have any doubts, you can check this video slot, man. That's it by tomorrow. Sir, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, IDT morning, I have done an expected question marathon from registration and ITC. The link of that is attached here, man. You can go through that and you can complete that topic. Then 10 to 1 o'clock, salary, house property, and chapter 6A deduction with the DT you can prepare. I tried my level best to accommodate all the topics slot wise by giving 3 hours each and every slot for your easy preparation. My dear lovable students, if you compare this time, advanced accountancy was lengthy but not tough. If you compare this time, law is a good paper, never tough, my dear lovable students. It was easy basically. So something is there in the tax. If you have prepared heart and soul for this JAN examination, give your best in this tax. That is what we can do. Paper can be easy, paper can be tough. Okay, fine. What we can do from our side is we can prepare 1.5 days to our fullest best. Then that satisfaction will be there to write the paper tax, because that is the most voluminous paper that everyone know, my dear lovable students. What you are supposed to do is do the slots accordingly. Once the time over, move to the next slot. I know that after writing law, entire Tamil Nadu, entire CA students will be tired. Just to fire up you, I am coming live today at evening 7 o'clock. I am inviting all the CA inter students, even CA final students who are going to write their exam in this JAN, to come and join along with me. Surely within 3 to 4 hours, I will make a lot of value addition and I will make you learn IDT, very important amendments and circular and computation of GST payable. Okay, fine. Sir, have quickly, sir, take your rest time and we will be meeting together at 7 o'clock dot for discussing the important points of GST, and will be help you with the other topics also. Take care of yourself. I just want to hear in the comment section that in the JAN Matunda, my dear lovable students, take care of yourself.